This section will be an introduction for Enscape, and you will know why we use it as a render engine, not another one. The company produced Enscape is Kaus, and it also produced V-Ray. They try to make Enscape more easy to use than V-Ray, and produce realistic visualization as V-Ray, with realistic lighting compared to V-Ray. So it's possible to say that Enscape has the features that exist in V-Ray and take other advantage not exist in V-Ray. For example, it doesn't take a lot of time to render a shot, in addition to the ease of use, and doesn't have difficult details as V-Ray. So Enscape is a software that is added to SketchUp, and its size is small compared to an render software as Lumion. Another advantage is that rendering is live during modeling, so we can see the final look while we are working on the project, so that makes the integration between modeling and rendering more easier for us. The third advantage is the VR, and we able to share a design output with a client through a QR code. We can export a VR format, then with the VR glasses the client will feel that he is inside the design, and this is through the QR code, which we may leave it in the building location, in the site, or a brochure of the project. Also, it makes easier to show the project to the client through Web Standalone feature. It's exporting your model as a read-only 3D file rendered in a web browser, as if we using the software like so. Otherwise, the software has a large library which is helping in the process. Also, from reasons makes we use Enscape that it doesn't need high requirements, so it works on Windows 10 or later. Also needs medium performance graphics card, so it works on NVIDIA or AMD, starts from 4GB VRAM, and we will find categories of requirements on website: minimum, recommended, and VR. VR requirements is for who will use and work with VR, and minimum requirements is a start for working with the software. For example, it needs 4GB RAM as a minimum for RAM, and it also requires 3 softwares to be installed before set up Enscape. These softwares all must be installed with the graphic card updates, so its requirements to some extent is available in the most of computers, rather than other softwares which needs higher requirements. In the next lesson, we will see the toolbar of Enscape inside SketchUp and the main interface of Enscape.